Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we have something very special planned as I'm going to be going over my top 3 recommendations for what you should search for in vintage wear. And to top it all off, I'm going to be styling them today with some of my favorite pieces from mnm.la. With that to say, today's video should be a lot of fun and very seamless as Minimal has done a very good job of working in a lot of different essentials to anyone's wardrobe. And I guess what I'm getting at is that it's very easy to wear. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So first up on the list, we have none other than the classic Carhartt workwear jacket, or the Detroit jacket as many of you guys may know it as. Now I think it goes out saying that these jackets are without a doubt one of the biggest trends right now in 2020. And I think a huge reason why the workwear jacket is just straight popping right now is simply due to the fact that they're very effective at insulation, but they're also very versatile. You could wear this with a hoodie underneath, a t-shirt underneath. You could wear them with cargos, denim. They look good with just about everything. In light of the fact that American workwear vintage is just a vibe right now, that's got to put the Carhartt Detroit jacket on my list of things you should be looking for to thrift or to purchase on the vintage market. For this specific outfit, I did decide to commit to the full vintage workwear type of look, pairing it with the minimal painter hoodie. Now for the bottoms, I did decide to go with a pair of cargos, not just any cargos though, my favorite cargos. You guys may know this already, but I just love the Snap 2 cargos from Minimal. In this case, I did go with the black because you just can't go wrong when you go with black. The baggier fit and the straight look of these cargos make them perfect for this workwear aesthetic. And then for the shoes, I decided to kind of spice it up a little bit, add a little bit of hype with the off-white blazers. And this is my first fit with my newly acquired Carhartt Detroit work jacket. Hopefully you guys like it. Definitely rate this first outfit down below in the comment sections as we will be reading. All right, so now on to number 2 on my list. We have here a classic pair of vintage Levi's. Now the 2 specific pairs that I do recommend, or fits that I recommend, is the Levi's 501 or the Levi's 505, and they're just your everyday standard run-of-the-mill vintage denim. I do suggest if anybody's looking for them, just grab a light blue. Honestly, it's a very nice color, very complementary to the vintage aesthetic. In this specific situation, I am wearing a Levi's 501 orange tag, which is the original fit. And now on to how I style these. The beauty of the fit and wash of this specific pair of denim is that they are ultra versatile. Whether you're wearing sneakers or boots, this specific fit is complementary to just about anything. And with that to say, I did decide to go with the minimal washed black tee, and I paired that with a minimal chain as well as this vintage chain that I did get in the past. And then of course we have the Sherpa Tech jacket. This thing is an instant classic for me personally. I love this jacket. Probably my favorite jacket over the course of this whole winter. I've been wearing this thing a ton simply due to the fact that it fits amazing. It's extra cozy and it honestly complements just about every outfit. So very fire to say the least. And to cap it all off, no pun intended, I did go with a trucker hat, which I do think ties the entire outfit together. All right, now so on to the third and final thing that I recommend you guys check out in the vintage world is a pair of Dunks. Now it goes as no surprise that this has made my list because I've just been swooning over some of the Dunks that I've been seeing all over social media, and I've actually kept it no secret, posting it in my stories and stuff like that. But it's definitely very nice to see Dunks come back around. As you guys know, fashion is cyclical, and I do believe 2020 is the resurgence and the comeback of the Dunk. I think it's gonna make its way back into the hype mainstream. But with that to say, the prices have been really fluctuating on a good pair of Dunks as of late. This specific pair right here ran me $115, but I've seen the exact same pair for $800. So it really all comes down to patience and searching around. And I did decide to pair this with my favorite collection from Minimal right now, and it's the everyday collection. I got the everyday sweats, the hoodie, a vintage sheet underneath, and then I went with a trucker hat. Definitely one of the most cozy outfits for sure, and I do find that the colors complement the Dunks perfectly. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button as it does let us know to keep the content coming. As always guys, it's a major privilege to get to do what we get to do here on YouTube, and we thank you guys for your continued support of the minimal community. Anyways, with all that being said, I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Mondays.